Hello everyone, welcome to this video lecturing where we will be learning about the for loop in C programming. This is one of the most commonly used control structure in C that allows us to execute a block of code repeatedly for a specific number of iterations. In this video, we are going to see two examples how for loop is working. First, we will see the definition for loop. In C programming, the for loop is used to repeat a statement or block of statement a specific number of times. Generally, it is used for repeating a statement or block of statement. Here, let's see the syntax. First, the syntax is for initialization, condition and updation. Okay, in initialization we define an initializer loop variable. Okay, in initialization we will define an initializer loop variable. In condition, the expression that is evaluated before every iteration. If the condition is true, the loop continues. If the condition is false, the loop exits. Okay, it is based on the condition true or false. If it is true, the loop continues. If it is false, the loop exits. Okay, and final is increment or decrement. Okay, this modifies the loop variable after every iteration. Okay, let's see the example. We use the for loop to print number from 1 to 10. Okay, this will be the program for that. First, we have to include the header file. Next, declare int I. Here the condition we are giving is, first for loop, first condition is I is equal to 1 and second condition is first we are going to initialize, and second we are going to check the condition, and while checking the condition we have to increment or decrement accordingly. Here we have to increment this. See, we are initializing the variable I is equal to 1. Okay, the loop continues to run as long I is less than or equal to, I should be less than or equal to 10. Okay, so that it includes 10. After each iteration, I is incremented by 1 till it reaches 10. The printf statement prints the current value of I in each iteration. When you run this program, you will see the numbers 1 to 10 printed on a new line, because we have given this /n. Okay, we can see one more example. Here we have taken an example where we are using for loop to calculate the sum of first n natural numbers. Okay, see, first we have taken an integer input n from user, which represents how many natural number we want to sum. Okay, we will get from the user. Okay, we initialize the sum is equal to 0 to store the cumulative sum. The for loop runs from 1 to n. This for loop runs from 1 to n. N is the count which we are getting from the, here we have declared it as a number. Okay, num. Okay, we then in each iteration we add the value of I to sum. Okay, we will be adding the value of I to sum. After the loop finishes, we print the total sum. So for example, if the input is 5, which here we have taken the input as 5. Okay, the program will calculate and print the sum as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. The sum will be printed as 15. Okay, this is how the program to calculate the sum of first n natural numbers using the for loop is executed. The for loop in C allows you to execute a block of code repeatedly with a known number of iterations. That number of iteration is decided by the user, or the input which is given by the user or declared size of variable. Okay, we can control the loop using initialization, condition, and increment or decrement. We saw two examples. Okay, one to print number from 1 to 10 and another to calculate the sum of n natural numbers. Okay, I hope this video helped you to understand the basic concept for loop in C. Thank you.